Hey parents and teachers, we're always looking for fun ways to help kids stay fit. At Rock and Learn, we've created a video to encourage physical activity for kids of all ages. It's called Baby Narwhal. This original song features adorable ocean creatures and animated kids that sing and dance along.
Baby Narwhal, is it okay if we swim with you? Baby Narwhal.
Even very young kids can learn these simple dance moves. It's a great video for physical education, school assemblies, or active time at home. Children of all ages will enjoy watching and participating again and again. The link to the video is on screen and in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.